Welcome students of half of 5 and VWO 6. Welcome to this video about an exam question, a VWO exam question. And it's about history and it's about the exam of 2025. So let's look at it. Let's look at the question. There will be two more parts of this video. One part will contain the answer and one part will contain a reference to the textbook Oorlog en Vrede, War and Peace. Let's look. On the 11th of November 1918, an important decision was taken concerning Germany's history. So this decision was taken in November 1918, 11th of November. Explain, while using two situations or events in Europe, why Germany on that moment took this decision. That's why on that moment Germany took this decision. So you have to explain it while using two situations or events in Europe, why Germany on the 11th of November 1918 took a very important decision, and explain this, verklaar this aan de hand van twee situaties. Yeah? So we see the following in the pictures. We see the First World War going on. We see the trenches of the First World War going on over here. We see that in 1917, 1918, Germany had a new opponent because America joined the war effort on the side of the Allied forces, a Triple Entente, so they began fighting on the Western Front. Yeah. And also we see that at the end of 1918, Germany had problems with the people that didn't accept that there was a war going on. They were revolting. Some sailors also were revolting against putting them up against the Allied one more time. So this also happened on the end of 1918. So again, you gotta explain the answer to this question based on two situations. And if you paid attention, I named two already: the arrival of the Americans and the uprisings and revolts of the German people, the German sailors, because they were hungry and didn't have enough food. They had shortages of fuel, food for 4 years already, and those people were actually revolting. This is the end of part 1 of this video.